Home Remedies presents the ultimate use of onion for bald patches, alopecia. Onion juice is one of the ancient remedies for good hair health, especially hair loss. It is one of the best juices to promote hair growth. Are you thinking of using onion juice for your hair care? Then watch the video further to know how to use onion for your hair care routine. But before that, I will tell you how to turn onion into juice to get the benefits for hair. How to make onion juice. Peel and chop about 4 to 5 onions, preferably red onion. Put them in a blender and blend them into a paste. Strain through a sieve to get the juice. It can be stored in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days in the fridge. Onion contains sulfur, which promotes hair growth. When applied to the scalp and hair, it prevents hair loss and stimulates blood circulation in hair follicles. This in turn promotes hair growth. How to use onion juice for hair. Applying onion juice to your scalp is a great way to boost hair growth. Few drops of essential oils can be added to the onion juice to mask the strong smell. If you want to directly use the onion juice, then massage the juice into your scalp and leave for 2 to 3 hours. Then shampoo as usual. You can also add the onion juice directly to your regular shampoo to dilute the smell and apply. You can add 2 to 3 teaspoons of onion juice in a 350 to 400 ml of shampoo. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.